Hey guys, and I just thought that maybe you wanted to see a few of my pets. Well, I have a lot, but we're gonna start with the ones in the backyard, then go to the inside. Should I jump or open the gate? Then I'll just open it so it doesn't make the camera go crazy. But I do jump the fence a lot. And just keep it closed. Okay, so I have a couple chickens. We had a Silky, but he was my favorite, and of course my favorite one has to die. Right at my house, but you can hear the ducks, right? I can't see them. Dumb apple tree, but okay, we'll come back to them later when they're easier to see. This here is I don't remember. It's some kind of pheasant or whatever. Here we have our gold. Too dark in there. Here we have our golden pheasant. Come on, step out in the sun so they can see our beautiful color. Whatever. And the girl golden pheasant over there. Oh, here's one of our chickens. And this is my Bulgarian, aka this is where I find 10 million lizards that I keep throwing out. They kind of destroyed the whole population. I had so many mantises and they ruined everything. And that's why I throw them into a cage. And there's another. It's kind of dark. I'm not going to tell you the rest of it. Okay, fine. I starve them to death. But yeah. So I only have a few mantises left. So there's one up there. Do you see him? Yeah, he's the green thing on the wood up there. I'll get closer. Climb onto the bridge. Now do you see him? Yeah, and I think there has to be one more in here. There's a grasshopper that the strongest grasshopper I've ever seen though. He kind of broke in here. He broke a hole in the wood actually. Why can the camera not see it? There we go. There he is. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll show you the most recent. We also trapped the lizard underground because get rid of it. We have some reef pheasants too. A reef pheasant, I should say. And we have a black pheasant. My dad likes to call him penguin. I have no idea what it's called. Back to the ducks who are still under the tree, but these are my ducks. Okay, that's not it. Maddie! Let's see if I can find Maddie. Maddie the dog. Maddie! He usually listens to my dad only. Maddie? Not in his doghouse. Maddie! Get over here this instant! There's another block off there. Maddie! Oh, there's another one of our ducks. She's pregnant, so let's we don't want to bother her. But Maddie! There she is after 10 years. Hey there, Maddie. What do you want the viewers to do? Huh? What do you want the viewers to do, huh, Maddie? Huh? What do you want them to do? Yeah, that's right.